Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use the conversion function block in Master2 to convert any type of variable. So first let's go to the toolbox under Other Operators, then click and drag the conversion function block to a new network. Now the way the conversion function block works is that we can replace these triple interrogation marks by any type of variable we want to convert to. So let's say for example I want to convert a time variable to an integer. So let's do time underline to int. There we go. Now one last thing we have to do is right click the output and select insert assignment. Now let's assign our variables. Let's say time input for the input variable. Then change the type. Okay. And for the output, let's call it integer output. There we go. The configuration is done. Now let's test it. Now let's assign a value to our time input variable. I'll put 3 seconds, then write. And first, let's not forget to start our controller. There we go. As you can see, the function block is converting the time to an integer, and the integer is displaying the time in milliseconds. Let's do with 5 seconds. And there we go. That's how you use the conversion function block in Master2, and I see you on the next video.